Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Solving your Swiggy order issues is simpler than you think, ensuring you get the service you paid for. Whether you've received a wrong item, your food arrived cold, or a delivery was surprisingly late, Swiggy's complaint process is designed to help. You can easily get a refund or a quick resolution without hassle, navigating through just a few straightforward steps. Let's walk through exactly how to connect with Swiggy support and resolve your concerns efficiently. To begin resolving your Swiggy issue, first open the Swiggy app on your phone. Then, head over to your Orders section, which lists all your past deliveries. From this list, carefully locate and tap on the specific order that caused your concern, whether it was a food delivery or a grocery item. This particular order screen is your initial gateway, providing the necessary options to initiate any support request or file your complaint directly. Once inside your problematic order's details, you'll see an option like Help and Support or Report an Issue. Go ahead and tap that. Next, you'll be presented with various categories for your problem. It is crucial to select the most accurate one, for example, missing item, late delivery, or wrong order. Providing these precise details upfront truly helps Swiggy understand your case faster, speeding up the resolution process considerably. After selecting the specific issue category, you will often be directed to an in-app chat interface to speak with a Swiggy support agent. Be prepared to briefly explain your situation, making sure to mention key details like your order number and the exact problem. Sometimes, for more complex issues, Swiggy might offer you an option for a quick callback from a dedicated support executive. Stay clear and concise to help them assist you best. Swiggy typically aims for a remarkably quick resolution, often addressing common issues within mere minutes directly through the chat. You will receive real-time updates regarding your complaint status right within the app, and sometimes via email as well. Remember, your feedback is incredibly valuable. It not only resolves your current issue, but also helps Swiggy improve its service for everyone. This ensures better, smoother experiences for all users moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.